Hey guys, so welcome to my brand new channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic CRUD application using C Sharp .NET framework. So we will use SQL as our database. So I'll teach you how to create the how to get the SQL connection string and connect to the SQL server. So how C Sharp and SQL talk to each other. I'll show you everything line by line. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So the main purpose of this student management system is like showing you guys how to insert, delete and update data in the data that have stored in our database. So also we will display all the students inside data grid view. Then we can easily update and we add delete students easily. So let's start the project. So I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Let me create a new project. Let's type WinForm. So pick this one, .NET framework, or else you can use this one as well. So let's say if we use this, we can work with the latest .NET framework, which is the .NET 9. So let's create that. Actually, I forget to give a name, but it's okay. So this is for learning purposes. Okay, so let me open the Solution Explorer. So we have the form 1. So it's like saying WinForm app 1. So it's okay. We can change that later. So also we need my toolbar as well. So I'm going to create a basic UI. I'm not much caring about the designing part. I only care about the implementation behind the UI. So let's create let's add some labels here. So I want to show, let's say that I want to show, so let me remove this. Let me build this again. Alright, so let me remove this button, click label. Okay, so I have this label. I want to show the full name of the student, age, and what else we can show. We can show the gender. Also, if let's say that this is a student management system, so if we can show that what kind of a course or what kind of a subject that this student doing. So let's say course. So yeah, so let me change the properties of this label. So let's say full name. So I'm going to copy this and paste this multiple times. Let's say like, let's add like five or four inputs. So for the age, for the gender, also for the course. So let's say we only have 4 input fields. So I'm not gonna add much because like I just want to make it like really simple. I don't want to make this complex. Okay, so I'm gonna change the property of this label as well. So let's say this is age. This is going to be the gender, and let's say course enrolled. Okay, now I have to add some input fields. So let's search textbooks here. Oops, textbooks. Then I'm gonna copy this and copy and paste this multiple times. So here we need a text box. For the gender, we will use a combo box. Yeah, for the gender combo box, I'm gonna use another combo box here. So alright guys, the main implementation is done in the UI part. So let's add some names for these fields. So this is going to be my first name. So let me make it a little bit smaller, and So for the text box one, I'm gonna say txt first name, txt first name. For age, we will say txt age. For gender, let me write txt gender. This is going to be txt course. Also, we have to give some names to these buttons and text as well. So let me change the text first. So this is going to be my add button. This is going to be my update button. And this is going to be my delete button. Also give some names. So for the button, I'm going to use btn add, btn update, btn delete. Also let's give a name for our grid view. So let's say this is student grid view or student grid. So actually I have to change some default values inside these properties. So just find the selection mode, just change it to full row select. Also the we have to find it because so where can I find the auto size columns, auto size row mode? So I can't find the column size to auto. I have to, so here I think this one, so I have to make it fill. Okay, nice. So the main implementation is done. So we have gave some uh, student grid name, also the names for buttons, and yeah, now we are good to go for the uh, data connection part. So let's connect to our database. So what I'm going to do is like first I'm going to create I'm going to the project and download Microsoft Data SQL Server. So Microsoft soft dot data. So you have to write it in the browser. So browse. So this one, Microsoft Data SQL Client, you have to install this for your project. It's done, guys. So now you can work with your database. First things first, we have to create a connection. So now we will create a database in the next video.